Welcome back to another day. It's been hot and humid, so it's been a few days, almost a week since I've been back in the garage. The front fender, took it off the other day, and there was a dent right in here, so I had to took a hammer, I pushed the dent back out from the inside, sanded it down, and then I go ahead and put some glazing putty, I guess it's called. Bondo Professional Glazing and Spot Putty, just to fix that little piece that I couldn't get out with the hammer. I already sanded it. This side came out really good, so what I'm doing is I'm throwing primer on it and see how it looks. Any low spots and stuff like that. I think I got them all. Not sure. I think I got them all. We'll find out when I put the yeah, there might be a little bit of a low spot. But anyway, I'll put some primer on this, sand it down, and try to find where the low spots are. I might have to put a little bit more glazing putty on this. Doesn't look bad. We'll find out when I sand it. Alright, that's got to dry. It's the bottom section. It's all done. Put the switches back in. A couple of screws, if you guys remember. A couple of screws to hold those in. I glue the rubbers in. So I just gotta wait for this to dry before I can put it back on the vehicle. Put that back in there. So I went ahead, I had to order a new brake light switch for the front brakes. What was happening is the brake lights would stay on when you release the front brake lever. I guess it was just worn out enough where, you know, it would stay on. So I ordered that. I ordered new levers. I went with some black levers, and I ordered brand new mirrors. I went with black Fender mirrors. So I'm waiting for all that to come in, and then we'll get that on the bike. So in the meantime, I got the fender to do. Still got the front fairing to do, and I haven't even touched the gas tank yet. I think the gas tank will be the last thing I got to do because I got to drain the tank, and all that other crap. All right. I think that's going to be it for today. We'll be back. Alright, welcome back everybody. This is the next day, and I'm kind of like really busy. I have my car that broke down on me. I had to do some repairs on that. Okay, I was able to, in between coats, or in between working on the car and stuff, I was able to sand this down, give it another coat of the glazing compound, or putty I should say, and then I sanded it. And then I gave it another coat of primer. Came out really good. I'm happy with that as far as that's concerned. I'm going to quickly hit it up with 600 wet sand and just get this quickly sanded so I can throw some paint on it. The weather today is really, really nice. It's not humid and it's not overly hot, so can't ask for anything more, I guess. Quickly sand this. Most of it's already sanded. Just want to hit it up one more time just to make sure everything's good. Then I got to figure out how I'm going to set this up on the bucket so I can paint this. I'm really not sure how I'm going to get this to stay. Alright, I'm going to set this up outside, let this dry for a bit, and then we're going to hit it with the green. Alright, the foot fairing is pretty much painted up. This one's got some imperfections in it. I had some issues with the paint. I'm going to have to do some sanding over here. I went real heavy. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and sand it all down and give it a final coat, but it's going to take some time. I'm going to let this dry. There we go. Okay. If I can get these other pieces done, and I'm almost done with the bike. All right, so all I'm doing right now is I'm sanding where the paint dripped because I went too heavy on it. So I'm just getting these drips out of here. That looks good. So I'm gonna hit it up with some coats of green. And just check the other side. Make sure it's okay. It's gonna go light coats, light coats. Light coats. Let it dry for 10 minutes. We'll do another. Dry for 10 minutes and another. Takes many coats of this neon green to cover something. What I did was I picked up this, I'm gonna try a scuffing pad, 800 grit scuffing pad. Give this a shot. It might be easier to go around the corners and or curves or whatever. It's got a little bit of a, oh, what do you call that? Orange peel or whatever. So I'm gonna take that all off before we get ready for the clear coat. Or to get ready for the clear coat. So let's see how this works. Oh wow, this works pretty damn good. I gotta tell you, so much easier than sandpaper. Oh yeah, man, those things work really good, man. I'll put a link to these on the bottom of the description there. These things work really nice. Quick too. Mix it up like really, really good. Blew everything off with the air compressor. Now we're gonna hit it up with some clear. So we gotta make sure this is mixed up well, you know. Give it a nice second heavy coat, and that should do it. I'm calling it quits. It's already, I don't know, it's like 8 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock, something like that. And I'm getting frustrated. The good news is I finished my car today, and I got that work done. And the only thing I got done on this motorcycle was the front fairing. What else? That's it. I'm just, like I said, I'm frustrated. I'm tired. I'm going to call it quits. Tomorrow's another day. Man, hopefully I can get this done and put together. I want to go riding. Weather's cooler now. It's perfect weather for riding. Who knows? When I post this, it's going to be a while. So who knows if that's still going to make sense. All right, everybody. Take care. God bless. And as usual, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Share, like the videos. I mean, if you truly, like them and stuff. Any comments, feedback, constructive criticism is okay. But, alright. Thanks for your support. God bless everybody. Bye-bye.